विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आजचा आपला टॉपिक आहे इंटरप्रिटेशन ऑफ टेम्परेचर इन कायनेटिक थिअरी किंवा रिलेशन बिटवीन द ॲव्हरेज कायनेटिक एनर्जी ऑफ गॅस मॉलिक्यूल अँड द टेम्परेचर ऑफ द गॅस. एक्झाम्पल पहिल्यांदा लिहून घ्या. ॲट 300 केल्विन what is the RMS speed of helium atom? Given that mass of the helium atom is 4U, that means 4 into 1.66 into 10 raised to power minus 27 kilogram. Kb Boltzmann constant 1.38 into 10 raised to power minus 23 joule per Kelvin, and temperature is 300 Kelvin. We have to find the RMS speed, that is V bar. Now we know that the pressure exerted by gas is 1 by 3 rho V square. Here V means RMS speed. RMS speed ही मागच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण पाहिलं. RMS चा लॉंग फॉर्म आहे रूट मीन स्क्वेअर स्पीड. Now rho is equal to m upon V, where m is the total mass of the gas, can be written as small m into capital N upon V. Small m is the mass of one molecule or one particle of the gas, and n nothing but the total number of particles or total number of molecules of the gas. So putting this value, we get P is equal to 1 by 3 mn V square upon V. Remember here the V in the numerator is the RMS speed and the V in the denominator is volume. Now this volume V taken on this side, PV is equal to 1 by 3 mn V square, where V is the RMS speed. Multiply by 2, divide by 2, we get 2 by 3 n taken earlier, 1 by 2 mv square. Now 1 by 2 mv square is the kinetic energy of one molecule or one particle or one atom of the gas. Therefore n into 1 by 2 mv square is the total kinetic energy of the gas. Therefore PV is equal to 2 by 3 multiplied by total kinetic energy of the gas. Now we know that PV is equal to nRT, general gas equation, where n means mole of the gas given by capital N upon Na. Capital N means total number of molecules and Na is the Avogadro number. We get PV is equal to n R upon Na into T. Also R upon Na is nothing but Boltzmann constant Kb. Therefore PV is equal to n Kb into T. Now here PV is equal to 2 by 3 into kinetic energy. So equating these two, we get PV is equal to n kBT is equal to 2 by 3 into kinetic energy. Now kinetic energy upon n is equal to n taken on this side, we get 3 by 2 kb into T. Thus kinetic energy per molecule, kinetic energy upon n means kinetic energy per molecule or per particle is equal to 3 by 2 kBT. Now we have to solve our numerical example. Now here the RMS speed of helium atom, that means one particle is given. That means by using this equation for one particle n is equal to 1, we get kinetic energy is equal to 3 by 2 kBT. But the formula for kinetic energy is half m p square, where v is the RMS speed. To get cancel, m v square is equal to 3 kb into T. Therefore v square is equal to 3 kBT upon m. Now putting the values, 3 multiplied by value of Kb is 1.38 into 10 to the power minus 23. Value of T is 300 divided by M means 4 into 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 27. So solving this, we get the value of V is equal to 13.68 into 10 to the power 2 meter per second. So the RMS speed at 300 Kelvin of helium atom is 13.68 into 10 raised to 2 meter per second or 1368 meter per second.